Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Gamma jacket is probably one of the most revolutionary pieces of outerwear you'll encounter, seamlessly blending cutting-edge graphene technology with sleek design to offer unparalleled versatility, comfort, and protection against the elements, making it an essential addition to any modern wardrobe for adventurers and urban explorers alike who demand performance without compromise. Number 5. Columbia Men's Discontinued Ascender Softshell Jacket. Discover the perfect blend of comfort and performance. This jacket is designed for the active man who values both style and functionality. Its advanced softshell fabric offers excellent protection against wind and light rain. Stay comfortable and dry, no matter the conditions. Engineered for flexibility, it allows for a full range of motion. You can move freely during any outdoor adventure or daily activity. Experience superior breathability that keeps you comfortable throughout the day. It helps regulate your body temperature, preventing overheating. With its sleek design, it's perfect for both the trails and the city. This versatile piece easily transitions from outdoor pursuits to casual wear. What we like. This classic softshell offers reliable wind and water resistance for everyday comfort. Its versatile design makes it an excellent choice for transitional weather or as a layering piece. If you're looking for a dependable, all-around jacket for daily activities, this is a great option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points can be extracted or quoted. Number 4. Rothco Special Ops Soft Shell Jacket. This jacket offers superior protection against the elements. It's designed to keep you comfortable and dry in various conditions, no matter the forecast. Its advanced soft shell material effectively repels water and blocks wind. You can face harsh weather with confidence while wearing it. Engineered for tactical operations, it provides the flexibility and durability needed in demanding environments. This makes it ideal for a wide range of activities. Designed with your movement in mind, it allows for a full range of motion without sacrificing warmth or protection. You'll appreciate its comfortable fit during extended wear. Constructed from high-quality, rugged materials, it's made to withstand the rigors of outdoor and tactical use. This ensures long-lasting performance and reliability. Multiple strategically placed pockets provide convenient and secure storage for your essential gear. You'll have everything you need within easy reach when you wear it. Experience the perfect blend of weather defense and tactical functionality. It's the reliable choice for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. What we like. Engineered for extreme conditions, this jacket provides unbeatable weather defense and tactical utility. Its robust construction and specialized features make it ideal for demanding outdoor adventures. If you need a rugged, multifunctional jacket for tactical operations or harsh environments, consider this one. What people say. Number 3. Free Soldier Men's Waterproof Tactical Jacket. Prepare for any adventure with this versatile jacket. It's designed to keep you comfortable and protected in challenging environments. Don't let rain stop your plans. This jacket features advanced waterproofing, ensuring you remain dry even in heavy downpours. Experience superior comfort and freedom of movement. Its soft shell material provides excellent flexibility without compromising durability. The integrated hood offers additional protection from wind and rain. It's perfect for when you need that extra layer of defense against the elements. Inspired by military design, it offers exceptional durability and a tactical edge. This makes it ideal for demanding outdoor activities. What we like. This jacket excels in wet conditions, offering superior waterproof protection with a practical hooded design. Its military-inspired tactical features provide both functionality and a distinctive look for outdoor enthusiasts. If you frequently face rain and need a reliable, hooded outer layer for hiking or outdoor sports, this is a strong contender. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, it is not possible to extract specific points about the Gamma Jacket Graphene. Number 2. Adams Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating. This clear, nanocrystalline coating shields your vehicle from weather, chemicals, and UV rays. It rejects water and dirt, providing 10H hardness and over 7 years of protection. Infused with patent-pending ceramic glow technology, it acts as an application aid. This feature ensures you never miss a spot, making every application perfect. Now with 50% more coating resin, it offers added durability and longevity. It's easier to apply, provides higher scratch and stain resistance, and delivers professional, long-lasting results. This super durable barrier protects paint, glass, headlights, chrome, wheels, and trim from dirt. It offers outstanding water beading and slickness, making water almost jump off the surface. This nano coating is safe on clear coat, single stage, vinyl wraps, and lacquer finishes. It can minimize the chances of creating swirl marks and scratches while washing and drying. Proudly crafted in the USA, this state-of-the-art kit uses the most advanced technologies. We stand by it as the best on the market, offering a full satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This cutting-edge coating provides unparalleled 10H hardness and over 9 years of vehicle protection. Its unique UV tracing technology ensures perfect application every time, making professional results achievable at home. If you're a car enthusiast seeking the ultimate, long-lasting paint protection with an easy application process, this product is for you. What people say. Number 1. DEWALT Men's Heated Jacket Kit. Experience superior warmth where you need it most. This jacket features 5 dedicated heating zones, strategically placed across your upper arms, chest, and upper back, ensuring comprehensive comfort. Take control of your comfort with customizable heat settings. Easily adjust it from high to medium or low, allowing you to find your perfect temperature for any condition. Don't let the weather stop you. Its durable woven outer shell is both wind and water resistant, providing reliable protection against the elements while keeping you dry. Stay cozy and warm all day long. This jacket boasts an insulated design complemented by a soft, warm fleece lining, providing exceptional comfort and heat retention. Getting ready is a breeze. The smooth finish sleeve lining ensures easy on and off, preventing it from sticking to your sweater for a hassle-free experience. What we like. This innovative jacket features 5 heating zones, providing customizable warmth in cold conditions. Its durable, wind and water-resistant shell combined with a warm fleece lining ensures comfort and protection. If you work outdoors in winter or frequently brave chilly temperatures, its integrated heating system will keep you comfortably warm. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.